As a real estate developer, how you see the current climate of low interest rates, and of course there is a broader conversation, certainly led by President Donald Trump, about the need to go even lower.
Well, listen, low interest rates are favorable to investments of all kinds, so it's always helpful. And low interest rates can, cover up a lot of mistakes too when things are, bought at a little higher price. So low interest rates, create a little cushion. They also they spur investment because now things that you're looking at as an opportunity to invest in, when you do your analysis, when you're paying less interest, you can take more risk.
And how about as the different trade disputes that are happening with the U.S. and different countries, it has softened foreign investment.
We went around the world. We had no problem. We actually raised more equity and more capital than was required for this project. We were oversubscribed for it. And we didn't see a sense of fear of wanting money to leave China or leave the Far East. We didn't see any of that, although we did get money from the East in certain investors.
TSX has this kind of intersection of brick and mortar, retail, and e-commerce. Talk to us about how it is that pulling people into the retail space is going to actually translate, it's going to convert into sales.
Well, this is an opportunity for a company to have its brand put in front of 56 million people a year. Plus, in addition, the technological background, a platform on this, where we're going to be able to stream everything that's happening inside this structure, wherever you are inside the structure. And then our tenants, whoever that occupant is, they're going to have to look at their brand, look at their customers, and then create something for them. Those are the guys that are going to have to do that.
Tell me if you think the U.S. and New York City specifically is where it needs to be with 5G.
Well, there are active discussions about 5G going on right now for Times Square. I can't get into the details of it, but this will be one of the most robust areas of 5G, and this platform that we have here and some of our neighbors are going to be participating in that 5G experience. So when all of that really happens, it's going to be happening here at the grandest scale in the world.
Are there any concerns that you have? There's certainly repairs going on with Penn Station. Are there any concerns that you have that, gosh, this is going to open up and people might gravitate to American Dream in the Meadowlands or over to Hudson Yards?
I'm not concerned about the 137 million people that come to Times Square and Broadway every year disappearing. The only concern I would have is, is it going to get even more than we could handle? We've designed our building to actually flow 15 million people through it. That's an extraordinary amount. You think of Yankee Stadium, a good year, we have 4 million people. This building will be able to flow 15 million people. So my concern is there'll be 20 million that want to come through.
Lesson learned about the failure of Amazon HQ2 over in Long Island City.
When we do these kinds of big projects, we do get the community involved. Or we get the community involved early, we visit the community board, we talk to the local people in town. If it's a landmark, we go to the Landmark Conservancy. We make the rounds, we talk to people, we share our ideas, we listen to them, we make adjustments.